So in this problem, we're asked to factor 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. Notice it's a, what kind of polynomial is it? It's a trinomial, right? And it's a second power, which would make it a quadratic. Okay. Is it in standard form? It is. It's in highest degree to lowest. Is there a GCF? Let's see, 2, 11, 12. No. Okay. Now, the leading coefficient is 2. If it's 1, those are the easy ones. That's where you just make the x, multiply the two terms, put it on top. Remember you guys did a factor puzzle for that? Okay. But when it's not 1, I'm going to show you how to do that. You take this number times this number, and you put it here. So 2 times 12 is 24. And then you drop down your 11. Ask yourself, what two numbers multiply to 24 but add to 11? 3 and 8. Now, had this been a leading coefficient of 1, your answer would be x plus 3, x plus 8, you'd be done, right? But when it's not 1, you have an extra step. And the extra step is to take this 11x and write it as 3x plus 8x. So you're going to have 2x squared, and this 11x is going to become a 3x plus 8x. And then your plus 12. Okay. Notice I did not change anything because 3x plus 8x is 11x. All I did was take the 11x, break it down to two terms, and since I broke it down to two terms, this enables me to break it in half. Okay? And so once you break it in half, you're going to find the GCF of that, factor it out. You're going to find the GCF of that, factor it out, and those two factors left over should be the same. And if they're not the same, then you mess up. So let's do 2x squared plus 3x. Okay, what is the GCF? Can anyone just look at that and tell me the GCF? 2x? Does 2 go into 3? Oh, okay, and you could do it that way, that's good. So if you did 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 12, you'll still get the same answer, okay? But I already wrote it like that, so I'm just going to do it this way. Okay, looking at this, let's see, 2 is 2 and 1, right? X squared is x and x. 3 is 3 and 1, left with an x. Common is they have a 1. You know, everything always has 1, right? So you could circle it, I usually have, but you could circle a, what, an x? Leaving, I guess that's all I could circle, right? 2 times 1 times x is 2x. Bring down my sign, plus, and then I'm left with the 3 times 1 is 3. So I have x, 2x plus 3. On the right side, I should get 2x plus 3 again. If you don't, you messed up somewhere. Okay. The right side, can anyone just look at that and tell me the GCF? 4? Just 4, right? Do you want me to show the factor tree? It won't take long. So that's 4, 2, 2, 2, x, that's 6, 2, 3, 2, and then you circle 2 2's, which makes 4, right? Again, you don't have to put this middle step in there. I just put that in there because some kids, it really helps them. So what they have in common are 2 2's, which makes 4 when you multiply. Bring down this sign, so it's plus 4. Leaving 2x plus 3, right? Now I hope I got 2x plus 3 over here. I did, right? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out a 2x plus 3 because they both have a 2x plus 3. So my answer, when I pull out a 2x plus 3, that leaves an x plus 4. Okay. Now if you put x plus 4 and then 2x plus 3, that's the same thing. I always like checking my work. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. 3 times x is 3x. 8x plus 3x is 11x, which is what this is. And 3 times 4 is 12. Okay.